everyone, hi, it's me online Slayer. So you're welcome. This is the very first edition of the series of GCSE mathematics tutorials that we shall be having. It's geared towards motivating you guys and giving you tips and shortcuts on how to get through with your mathematics exam. And hopefully we're going to be having this once a week for the next 6 months, and hopefully everyone should enjoy it. Now let me say that it's live, so you'd have to make sure you are aware of the timing, 5 p.m. in the UK, and if you're somewhere else in the world, then you'd have to check your zone to know what time you actually would fall in. Okay, I am online Slayer, as you might have already heard. And hey, is that a new person I'm seeing there? Are you just joining us? No, you can speak. Come on, don't be shy. Oh, okay, I'll leave you. So what we're going to be discussing today, numbers. Numbers is the basis of mathematics, because that's actually what it's all about. That's what we need to understand: how to add, subtract, divide, multiply, raise to the power, and compare different numbers. Yeah, that's all it is. And let me quickly say that actually the syllabus for the GCSE is very straightforward. I mean, there's just a few things you need to know, and there are just 6 of them. Here they are. You've got numbers, you've got algebra, you've got ratio, you've got geometry, probability, and statistics. Now 6 of them, that's why I said 6 months, okay? And in 6 months we cover 1 month for each of them. I'm very much aware that some of these topics would require more than 1 month for them. I mean 4 hours, but we'll find a way to shuffle that around. And if I have reasons to organize a special tutorial session, I will. And if you find that I am too fast for you, feel free to stop me, query me, ask questions. And if you want some private tutorials, we can arrange that. I am all down to it. Yeah. So let's get busy. Numbers. When we talk about numbers, we have the integers, we've got the fractions, we've got the decimals. In fact, these are what we refer to as the real numbers, because they are the kind of things we deal with on a day-to-day basis. And I'll give you a quick example. If I ask you to tell me how many people you have got in your classroom, you probably tell me 20 people, 25. You would not say 2.5. No, because human beings are counted in whole numbers. So that's integers, okay? But when we talk about fractions, what do we mean? Fraction is talking about a portion of a whole, okay? So for example, if I say, have you got some pizza? And you're like, yeah. Probably you have it into 12 slices, and I'm like, can you give me 1 slice out of the 12 slices, please? That means I'm not asking for the whole pizza. I'm asking for 1/12 of the pizza. If I ask for 3 slices of the 12 slice pizza, then I'm asking for 3/12 of the pizza. Now that's where fraction comes in our day-to-day life. Decimals, on the other hand, in fact, are very common when we're dealing with currencies. For instance, when I talk about £1 20p, I'm actually talking about 1.20. When I talk about £50 45, that's about 50.45. And most times in the shops you see things like £2.99. Well, that's 2.99, and at times you need to add these numbers up, and there you go, voila. So pictorially, how do we like to represent all these real numbers on earth? This is the simple way. We use a number line, okay? So quickly,